All right, another video unboxing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's hard to do this one-handed, so, you know, probably not the safest way to wield a knife, but here we go. I'm starting a new side hustle because of the pandemic, and awesome. I have been doing stuff. I'll show you what that is in a sec. I've been doing setups on instruments for quite some time on my own, and I found the company Music Nomad Care, Music Nomad Care, or Music Nomad. Their website is musicnomadcare.com, and I started with their cleaning brush. And it's great. And they just keep coming out with really cool stuff. And like I said, I've been doing setups on my own instruments since the 90s. And, oh yeah, this is the full setup kit. I already have some of that, but that's it. Nice. Okay, fantastic. What do we have? The grip cutter. Changing strings to make it easier. Tune it. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Some saddle and nut lube. Love nut lube. Nice. The string fuel cleaner and more lube. Looking forward to trying this. Let's see, what is this? String fuel is a hybrid blend of refined, naturally occurring oils. Sweet. Probably mineral oils and whatnot. This is a acoustic guitar string pin puller. Very nice. Ooh. Guitar 1 for gloss. Guitar polish. And F1 fretboard oil. Very nice. What is F1 fretboard oil? Like a facelift model, silicone and wax-free cream polish restores and revives dull, hazy, and scratch. Oh no. F1 gives wood back its life. We use a complex mixture of 100% natural, ultra-refined oils. Probably mineral oil, I'm guessing, but we can look it up. Very nice. All right, what do we have here? The fret polishing kit. Oh, that's killing. My frets are pristine because I polish them. But man, if you need your frets polished, I'm your guy. What else? What else? What else? String winder. Very nice. Very handy. Ooh. Very killing. What do we have? Oh, sweet. The cradle cube. So, I can do like fingerboard cleaning, polishing, the fretboard polish, but, you know, an action check and stuff, but I do not do intonation with the guitar laying down. Ooh, what is this? This is the work mat. Sweet. Awesome. Thank you, Music Nomad. Oh, the first thing I pulled out is what I'm super stoked about. This is a setup gauge kit. And it's hard to see because it's just small, but I can check radii, I can check truss rod relief, I can check nut height, string action, and I've done this for my own instruments for years, but these tools are just going to make it so much faster. So yeah, new side hustle. If you're a local in the greater Salt Lake metro area, Salt Lake and Utah County, and you want a great setup, I have upgraded my game with these tools. So thank you so much, Music Nomad. Really, really appreciate it. And just shoot me a message, a private message, and we can talk about how much that costs. Also, you're not going to wait a million years for some bigger place that's backed up, because I get your instrument and I get it done usually within 48 hours or less. And I have right now no contact delivery. You can drop your instrument off and come and pick it up without even touching me or whatever. Anyway, I'm looking forward to exploring like this tool just to make fret polishing way easier. This is going to be nice. Oh, I was saying I don't do intonation with the instrument laying down. I do it in playing position because gravity has an effect on the neck. This stuff I'm looking forward to. I've always just done 100% mineral oil on my fingerboards. And of course, having a nice polish. I've got a super nice glossy purple base that this will benefit from. String feel is really cool. Looking forward to using this. Again, I've just used mineral oil, but this is pretty rad. I'm really excited for this stuff too. Not lube. Not lube. So, awesome. Shoot me a message if you want to get a local setup done on your bass or your guitar, but especially on your bass. I've been doing my own basses and guitars for about 20 years. A little less than 20 years, but yeah. Actually, no. More like 20, almost 25 years. Jeez. Yeah. So there you go. Awesome. Thank you so much, Nomad. And thank you guys for helping me get through the pandemic with as many side hustles that I can generate. Peace.